go. Sometimes Y. And of these vowels, E, I, and Y are called signal vowels. Look here. A signal vowel, look, this is like a signal, shows us or tells us that something will be different in a word. So what words have, what are signal vowels?
E, I, Y.
Good job. Those are our signal vowels. My thing doesn't want to work. Here we go. Okay. So when C is followed by an A or an O or a U, it makes the K sound, as in K, cat, K, cot, or K, cut, right? Can you read these words for me?
Cat.
Just read it normal.
Oh, cat, cot, cut.
Good, you did that very well. Okay, when C is followed by E, I, or Y, it makes the S sound, like in the words city or scent. So see, it's going to make that S sound like we hear in sun.
Say.
Yeah, except say is with an S, so it would still be, yeah. Okay, but that was a good thought. So now we're going to check on the next slide here. What does it tell me? Woo, here we go. Yep. There's a city, and that word, that letter is our, do you remember what that's called? A signal vowel. And it's telling that C that it's going to be a sound, right? For what word?
City.
Good. What word is this one?
Scent.
What's this called? What kind of vowel?
Capital.
What kind of a vowel?
Oh.
Si. A si.
Signal.
Signal vowel. You're getting tired, aren't you? Okay. Okay. So next we're going to talk about the letter G. So when G is followed by A, O, or U, it makes the G sound, as in game, go, gum, or G for ghost, right? So when G is followed by E, I, or Y, though, let's go to that slide. E, I, or Y, these are all signal vowels. Then it makes the just sound, like what we hear for jug or jar, j. Here we have the word gem, or, do you know what that word is? Gem, yeah. It's two gems, two different kind of gems. This is like a Rubia gym, and this is like where you go and exercise gym. Okay. In the word gym, G is followed by E, which is a signal vowel. E is the signal vowel. And in the word the other gym, right here, G is followed by Y. And that is another signal vowel, that Y. Okay. And our articulatory gestures are just how we say our letters. So let's look here again. We're going to say j, j, gym. And then again, j, j, gym. And then these are our signal vowels that signal to our consonants. All right. We're going to do a couple more. Okay.